The overheating warning is not the problem, it's the literal message. When your PlayStation 5 warns you that it's overheating, most people jump directly into thinking that their fan might be broken. But the system is actually telling you something very important. Your console has sensors inside the machine, monitoring all of the conditions that happen in there so that it knows when something is outside of normal operation. And that warning system is there to tell you, hey, something is outside of normal operation. But the real question is why? Is it airflow restricted? Well, take it out of the cabinet. Is the hot air getting trapped? Is your console working harder now because something changed? Temperature problems are usually about the entire cooling system, not just one single part. That's why replacing random components can become so frustratingly expensive. And that's why repair businesses stay in business, because they're not guessing at what component to replace ever. A technician never walks on site and says, what am I gonna switch out first? They ask what caused the system to reach these conditions and what components can I trace and figure out what's causing it. The PS5 Complete Repair Blueprint, called How to Fix Anything on Your PlayStation 5, is hosted on our website, TechieAmmoLabs.com. It breaks down each one of those troubleshooting paths so you can understand the problem before you pay for a single repair or before you get a single part. In my estimation, a lot of you guys out here just guessing at what to fix are wasting a lot of time and energy. I think this is a good fix for you. The link's in the bio. It's also in the description of this video. I'm David G with Techie Ammo Labs, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.